nice to be doing a rhyme time again. Croeso I Amser Rhigwm, Llyfrgelloedd Library. Welcome to Rhymetime. So I hope you're all ready now with some nice big waves, because it'll be great. I'll get ready with mine, and I think I'll get my musical instruments as well. Ready for our hello song? Okay then? Hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun, we're going to have some fun. It's music, rhythm and rhyme. Should we do it again though? Hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun, we're going to have some fun. It's music, rhythm and rhyme. Oh, brilliant, lovely to see everyone. And Teddy's pleased as well, because he's just been sleeping so much. I don't know, I had trouble getting out of bed today, didn't I, Teddy? Anyway, Teddy'd like to sing a song as well now. He'd like to wave his hands, and it's called Boridar Ffrindiau Sit Wi Ti. So let's try that one. Boridar Ffrindiau Sit Wi Ti. Boridar Ffrindiau Sit Wi Ti. Boridar Ffrindiau Sit Wi Ti. Da iawn, diolch. Oh, well done. I hope you are all well, as you know. Hope you're all keeping well. Now, what should we do next? Should we try Daigi Bach? Two little dogs who go running off into the forest and have fun. Right, let's get that one ready. There we go. Daigi Bach yn mynd i'r coed, esged newydd am bob tro. Daigi Bach yn dywed adre, wedi colli un o'n sgidiau. Daigi Bach. Daigi Bach yn mynd i'r coed, am drwy'n ferau am drwy'n trwy. Daigi Bach o'n fredyn adre, blodau eisig, un i'n chwysiau. Daigi Bach. Daigi Bach ai bron yn wynt, Daigi Bach ai glywdau syn, Daigi Bach yn dal yn sbïo, Daigi Bach sy'n lwch I heno, Daigi Bach. Once again with the Daigi Bach. Daigi Bach yn mynd i'r coed, esged newydd am bob tro. Daigi Bach yn dywed adre, wedi colli un o'i sgidiau. Daigi Bach. Oh, excellent, well done. And I'll try this with Well-Eyes Jackadaw. I'm just going to do the first verse. Okay, so let's see how our jackdaw's doing. Well-Eyes Jackadaw, o'n ein ferad yn to, heg wennar I bennar gwybod peth, ho, 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 ho. There we go, I hope you like that one. And now we thought we'd have some nice colours, our rainbow song. So we're doing Welsh first. We'll have a bit of accompaniment as well. So you ready then? Coch a melyn a pink a glas, pwrpwr ac orange a gwers. Dyma ddwy ar endys, ddwy ar endys, ddwy ar endys ar. Well done. And now let's sing it in English as well, and Saesneg as well. Red and yellow Well done, excellent. Now Teddy is wanting a bit of action today because he's feeling a bit bored. He'd like to go on his swing. So let's see, Teddy. Let's get an instrument out for you. Okay, ready everybody? Teddy plays on the swing. Teddy plays on the slide. Teddy plays on the swing. And Teddy plays on the slide. And he goes tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. And he goes tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Did you like that, Teddy? Oh, well done, Teddy. That's great. Oh, he's very good, aren't you? You're very good, lad. Right. Okay, now we've got one. I went to visit a farm one day, so we're going to see lots of animals. We're going to see a cow at the farm. We're going to see some lion cubs at the zoo, and we're going to splish-splash in puddles as well when we go to see our friend. And we're also going to see a band as well. It's going to be a great big drum. So let's see how we get on with that. I went to visit the farm one day. I saw a cow across the way. And what do you think I heard him say? Moo, moo, moo. I went to visit the zoo one day. Saw a lion and cubs at play. And what do you think I heard them say? Raw, raw, raw. I went to visit a friend one day. I joined the puddles along the way. And what do you think I heard them say? Splish, splash, posh. I went to see a band one day. I heard the drum begin to play. And what do you think I heard it say? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, excellent. Well done. What have we got next? Let me see. Oh, there's a nice one that I do like. One called a turtle. His name's Tiny Tim. And he drinks rather a lot of water and eats rather a lot of soap. And then there's this huge bubble at the end. So I'd like you all to help me with that. So what we need to do is make a great big bubble at the end, as big as you can, and then make it pop, just like that. Okay? So you ready? I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water and ate up all the soap. And now he's gone to bed with bubbles in his throat. You ready? Bubble, 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 pop! Oh, well done everybody. I bet your bubbles were bigger than mine though, weren't they? And noisier, I should think. Okay, so Teddy always likes this one. Teddy would like to row his boat if that's okay. You alright, Teddy? You ready? Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ready to rock your boat? Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, into the water we go. Splash! Row, row, row your boat gently out to sea. Merrily, 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 back in time for tea. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. You ready? If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Big scream! Ah! Oh, brilliant, well done. Okay, now I'd like to do a little bit of a story, which I'm going to have to stand up to do. Okay, because I'm going to look for a lot of animals. So here we go, walking in our jungle. Walking through the jungle. What can you see? Can you hear a noise? What can it be? Now it's a big, big elephant with a long trunk, and he scamps along and makes that funny noise. Now what do you think it could be? Anybody got any ideas? Can I hear someone saying? An elephant. I think you're right, it is an elephant, isn't it? Well done. Okay, let's have another walk through our jungle. Walking through the jungle, what can you see? Can you hear a noise? What can it be? And this time, it's a very wriggly animal, and it's making a noise like this. Now what do you think it could be? Anybody got any ideas? Anybody know? Have a look round the room. Does anybody know? A snake? Do you think it's a snake? I think you're right. Well done. It's definitely a snake. Okay, shall we see if we can see another animal? Right. Walking through the jungle. What can you see? Can you hear a noise? What can it be? And this time, it's an animal that makes a great big roaring sound. He's got great big pointy teeth. And he goes, see if you can make them, I bet you know what it's going to be. And if you do, join in with me now. Rah, rah, rah. Do you think it is? Yes, somebody say a lion? A lion, you're right, it's a lion. Gosh, you're very good this morning, everybody. Really good. Now, this one's I'm a little bit scared myself about this one. Our last animal. Because you can't always see him so much, he gets camouflaged and you can't always tell he's coming along. Okay then, walking through the jungle, what can you see? Can you hear a noise? What can it be? Those great big white teeth and that great big jaw. And he goes snap, 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 snap. Snap. You never know when he's going to stop snapping, that's the thing. Do you know what it is? Anybody know? Somebody say? A crocodile. It's a crocodile. And he's looking for his tea. I hope it isn't me. Ah! Good, hi, Teddy, help. You have to watch out for those crocodiles, you know. Anyway, we've got another, as it happens, as I like crocodiles, another little rhyme with a crocodile in it, and it's 5 little monkeys. Ready? 5 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. But along comes Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap. 4 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! Only 1 little monkey swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! No more monkeys swinging in the tree, just 1 fat crocodile, as happy as can be. What a naughty crocodile he is, and he was a bit hungry, wasn't he? the monkeys were a bit naughty, weren't they? They were a bit naughty too. Anyway, now let's have, should we have a head, shoulders, knees and toes? We'll try that one. Ready? Okay then, Teddy. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Excellent, well done. I'd like to have another song, and we're going to need to make a lot of noise in this song. Okay, it's going to be If You're Happy and You Know It. We're going to clap our hands, stamp our feet, and at the end we need to shout hooray and make it really, really loud. Okay, you all ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, stamp, stamp. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, stamp, stamp. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, stamp, stamp. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! That's brilliant. Okay, I'm going to try a little song now, and it's all about little cats, and they're cuddled up with their mums. So it's called Cathod, this song. So let's pop that one on. Done. Okay, so now I think we might finish off with Henna Henna. That's it, we'll have a nice quiet song to finish off with before we do our goodbye waves. Okay. Ready, Teddy? That's it, have a bit of a rest now. Henna. Dimme, dimme, Wake up, Teddy, now we need some big stretches. Fori, fori, Heinland bach. Fori, fori, Heinland bach. Dimme, 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 Heinland bach. Dimme, 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 Heinland bach. Oh, but enjoyed that, didn't you, Teddy? Well done, well done. Now you're going to help me now, Teddy. Just one more thing to do. We've got to wave goodbye to everybody now, and we'll see them another time. Won't we, Teddy? Yeah? You can have a nice sleep this afternoon. Okay? Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. We're very glad you've come. We've had a lot of fun. It's music, rhythm and rhyme. Once more. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. We're very glad you've come. We've had a lot of fun. It's music, rhythm and